Alright, so camcorder's not working. So I got these two pieces cut out. This is the bow. Those are the nav lights. And I got the board here. It's just a chunk of 2x4 for the front motor mount. Now I got that plywood there. I got to cut the two for the back. And I got the two supports for the center right there. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so as you saw, I got the three front pieces in. So I got those two cut. I got that piece of 2x4 there. Okay. I got those two there. And then I got these two here. All that's left is the transom board. I got to get plywood for that, so that's going to be another day. But all the wiring's done. I got one more piece here. I got to drill that hole out 1/4 inch to make it big enough for the pass-through, and then clean up the edge, put it back together. We're getting there, guys.